Greetings, YouTube. I've been asked by one of the community members to create a tutorial on how to use CartoGraph. Um, so first off, we've got to download it. So I'll just show you where to get it from. I won't actually download it myself, seeing as I have it. Alright, so now that we've got our web browsers open, I find the easiest way to find it is to type into Google just to make it easier and to make sure you've got the right one. I actually like to say map your alpha, which is like the tagline, see? So I'll put a link in the description for you so you don't have to do all this. Anyway, so download it there. Here's some of the stuff you can do. So I'm not going to let you read all of that. You can navigate yourself here and do it yourself and read it in your own leisure time. Obviously it's an old version of the GUI. Alright, so anyway, now open it. It should know. Minecraft logs, F5 main source, and the CartoGraph. Alright, so what we've here is we've got the GUI. For some this may be easy, for others it may be confusing. Obviously with the worlds here you select your different worlds that you want to use, or I'm pretty sure if you go custom you can load a custom map, which I will just use my server one as an example. So go here, copy, and what am I doing? It's already open. Copy and paste, and then go / level dot dat. Pretty sure it's a dot dat. Hang on. Failing on YouTube. Yeah, level dot dat. Alright. Now, you could have normal, which just shows the top bird's eye view. Height map, I'm not sure what that does, just check the forums. Same with height gray, same with sloth. I usually go oblique angled, which is like a 3D view and it's on an angle so you can see things. Isometric, I'm not sure what that is. I usually just use either normal and or that one. So obviously tick this if you want to ignore water, tick that if you want to flip it, if you want to rotate, and if you want it in cave mode, which I'm guessing shows everything in shows all the caves. You can switch it to day, noon, or nighttime. I usually just over the day, and you can tell whether it's flat or noisy. That just basically says whether you want it to be really you can really tell the difference between stuff or not. I usually just keep that in the center there, and then you hit render. So now that is done, it saves a file. So for example, I just did map 3 oblique angle day, so it'll create this one, and as you can see it's 2 meg, but that's pretty good for high quality stuff that you can find out where everything is, etc. Just let my lazy computer load. Here we go, and it basically produces this. This is oblique angled, and you can zoom up if you know how in Windows Photo Viewer it's the scroll button in the center of your mouse, and you can just have a look around. Obviously you can flip and rotate it back from the options and find out what lava is and caves, and I can't actually remember. I think that's all that was done. This part here was all that was done in this map. It was kind of like just a test map. Along with the image, you also get a text document, which when you open it, it actually tells you how much you've got of everything. Like, I don't know why it says the map surface is 0 square meters. That makes no sense. But like, it tells you block amounts, like how much air, how much stone, how much dirt, how much snow you've got in there, and yeah, it's just really good. Tell you how much farmland, crops, um, pressure plates, the whole lot. So you can find out what you've got where and how much of them. And then these numbers may not be right, but that's simply just because like, you know, you got your zombies, sheep, pigs and all that. Like, how is it going to be able to calculate it exactly? It's not, but just a rough amount. Anyway, that is CartoGraph. I highly recommend it. I think it's a really, really good program. I use it quite often, and yeah, feel free to check out my other tutorial using CartoGraph, which is to find monster spawners and or dungeons. Thank you for watching, and I hope you've learnt something. If you already know how to use this, please don't spam the comments and go, oh you dumbass, and stuff like that, because it'll just get deleted and